A fierce battle over abortion now headed to the U.S. Supreme Court. The Attorney General vowing to challenge a ruling from a federal appeals court that could jeopardize access to mifepristone, a commonly used abortion pill.
We believe that the law is on our side.
Overnight, that appeals court blocked a portion of a Texas ruling that invalidated the approval of mifepristone, allowing the drug to remain on the market for now. But the judges also rolled back several FDA moves in recent years that made the drug easier to obtain. If the Supreme Court doesn't step in, women may soon be required to visit a doctor's office in person to receive the pill instead of taking it at home. It will no longer be available through the mail. The generic version also off the table, and the pill will only be approved through 7 weeks of pregnancy instead of 10.
Having more in-person visits mean women will have to take time off of work, get child care, often during the work week. If the medication can't get into the hands of the people that need it quickly, then it isn't available.
Doctors like Laura McIsaac, who've practiced for over 3 decades, alarmed by the ruling.
That will absolutely increase pregnancy complications and increase maternal mortality.
Restricting access to mifepristone at the heart of the original Texas lawsuit.
The FDA has basically sanctioned mail-order abortions.
Erin Hawley represents the advocacy groups and doctors that sued the FDA.
The Fifth Circuit's decision is a huge victory for women and for the rule of law. The FDA did not have a valid basis for approving that drug.
While the fight continues in the courts, tonight a clash at the State House. In Florida, anger erupting on the House floor.
Show the bill passes.
As the Republican-controlled legislature passed a 6-week abortion ban, headed to the governor's desk for signature soon.
So, Laura, when do all these restrictions take effect?
So those restrictions should begin early Saturday. I say should because tonight a federal judge in a different case in Washington state reiterated that the Biden administration must not make any changes to the availability of this drug. The government will likely tell the U.S. Supreme Court it simply cannot comply with all these conflicting rulings.
All right, Laura, thanks very much. Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.